Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this face, easy simple face in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our face model in Blender. This is very simple face. So this was the reference I was using. This was the reference, and this is our model. This was the reference, and this is our model. So that's it, friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.